Psychology, when you respect the field and pay it the adequate amount of attention, it's almost like a superpower. Being able to read people's body language and hear what's coming out of their mouth, and when those things don't match, that's a superpower. That can keep you out of a lot of trouble. That can save you some trouble.
Psychology is the only topic that is all about you. It is how you think about what you think about, why you behave a particular way, how your past experiences inform your current experiences of the world, as well as your decision making.
What I want people to understand about psychology is that it's complex but reachable. That there's actually something you can use with it on an everyday, every job kind of basis.
Psychology can be used in many different professions, and self-understanding and an understanding of others will always help you greatly in life.
I think if you think about psychology, it's, there's a bit of philosophy in it, right? There's these questions about human nature, and you could even get into morality and all that kind of stuff. But then there's also a fixed science to it that has to be grounded in actual measurable things and observable things. You're still following the scientific method, or if you're practicing, you're still using what are evidence-based or known approaches on how to help with mental health or relational problems.
Psychology is going to tell you how to better study and learn, how to remember the material that you're going to learn in class. It's going to tell you how to have better relationships, either romantic, friendship, family dynamics. It's going to inform you how your development or your past experiences might have shaped the person that you are today. It's going to teach you about different disorders, right? We know that a lot of individuals suffer with symptoms of depression or anxiety, and that's okay and normal.
So what I love about this field is watching people return to themselves, watching them step into their wholeness. A lot of times we can kind of exist in this fragmented space, and watching them be fully integrated in who they are, not only in the time that they spend with me, but in the way that they operate in the world that they live, work, and play in.
If we know anything about psychology, is that that's not all that goes into decision making. Emotion, experiences, goals, desires, your environment may all influence your decisions, and you might not even be aware how they're influencing your decisions or your behavior. So it's important to understand everything that goes into your cognition and your behavior to better make decisions and be a better person.
I'm Dr. J. Sean Callahan. I'm a professor of psychology at Georgia Highlands College.
My name is Dr. Sarah Valencia Bado, and I'm a psychology professor at Emory University.
I'm Joel, Joel Baker, and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist.
I'm Dr. Martin Rosenman, and I teach psychology at Morehouse College.
My name is Cecil Walker, and I'm a psychotherapist.
My name is Adrienne Williams, and I'm a clinical social worker, a private practice therapist, and a professor at Columbia University.